Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your Macy's credit card easy tutorial step by step clearly. To secure your Macy's credit card, begin by visiting the official Macy's website. Look for the credit services option on the home page. Click on it to navigate to the credit card section. Next, find the Secure Your Card link and click on it. You will be prompted to log in to your Macy's credit card account. Enter your user ID and password. If you do not have an account, click on Register to create one. You will need your account number and personal information for registration. After logging in or creating an account, locate the security settings. Review the available options to enhance your account security. Consider enabling two-factor authentication for an added layer of protection. You may also want to update your password to something more secure. Make sure your contact information, like your email and phone number, is current. This ensures you receive alerts about any suspicious activities. Review your recent transactions for any unauthorized charges. If you notice anything unusual, report it immediately to Macy's customer service. Once secured, make a habit of checking your account regularly. Stay informed about any promotions or security updates from Macy's. By following these steps, you can effectively secure your Macy's credit card. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.